Got a quick screencast here to show you the importance of developing your assessment expectations before you plan your unit. What we'd started with was planning out our goals based on the standard. Then we use those learning goals that were created by the standard to create our assessment. And the exemplar that we're showing you again is a fifth grade science unit on explaining gravity. The link is here in the presentation, but just to make it quicker, I'll click on the open tab. This is the gravity assessment that was created by that teacher. You can again see the rubric that is put into the planner: secure, approaching, developing, beginning. And you can see the two goals. I can explain how the force of gravity works and what might affect it. I can use evidence, data, or a model to explain my thinking. And then she's leveled these different student goals to show and create expectations for student performance. The key here is that because she is planned based on goals and not based on a test and not based on a written assignment, it really opens the students up to show this in a lot of different ways. Again, the idea that the means may not get in the way of the end, meaning that it's not specifically about writing. So if a student understands gravity and can explain it, writing will not get in the way. They can have a lot of different ways to model their thinking. They're not tied to necessarily making something like a video or physically making something. So again, their particular skill level doesn't necessarily get in the way of demonstrating understanding of the standard. So underneath, this is like a project proposal form. And again, this is something that would probably be given out near the end of the unit. Not this up here. Expectations would be clear, but this might be given out near the end once they have understanding. How can I show my understanding of gravity? I will, and make a statement about how they're going to show this. I am doing this alone or with a partner, and then a description of their plan. This is very simple, but that's what makes it flexible. That's what makes it universal. There's a lot of different things you could do to demonstrate gravity, and this gives the student the choice to demonstrate the way they best understand it. This also connects to engagement because it allows students to connect to a particular skill level. So it makes it more relevant to them, or not level, but a skill area, makes it more relevant to them. And again, our goal here, let's let nothing get in the way of allowing them to explain gravity. If again we start a unit, we've got this test made already. Well, we know what we're going to test is in part their ability to explain gravity, but also in part their ability to take a test. Here it opens it up, makes it more universal. The student that feels comfortable making a video can make a video. The student that feels comfortable writing it out can write it out. The student who wants to do a puppet show, which is one of the things kids did, they can do that as long as they can explain their thinking. I hope this helps you to understand the lesson planning process when it comes to UDL. Thank you.